Hey nerds, welcome to Jared Bear Reacts. Today we're going to react to Season 3, Episode 24 of Teen Wolf, aka the Season 3B finale, aka the Season 3 finale entitled The Divine Move. The last episode ended on a somber note. If you're watching this and you didn't watch the last episode, spoilers right now, the death of AA, Allison Argent. I assume that we'll see this if that is final, because you know how supernatural shows go. I imagine if her death isn't final, we'll learn throughout this episode. If it is final, we'll learn immediately. I'm kind of assuming it is because she had no supernatural aspects to her. But it's kind of a calm, wholesome death, to be honest, because she did get to die in the arms of the person she loved. And on that note, let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe for daily content. If there's a day there is a reaction, links are in the description box down below for the Patreon, the Twitch stream, and everything in between. Jerry, best work where? Exactly, behind the scenes. And let's get into it. Look at my man, stone face. Yep, showing this again. Why not? At least her eyebrows look good in her last moment. Allie, it's just pain.
Move by splitting the two of you. So what's our move?
At this point, you need a divine move.
What's that?
Roll credits.
In the game of Go, it's what we call a truly inspired or out-of-the-box move.
I appreciate the concern, but you don't have to stay. I'll be all right. I've dealt with this before. I have a capacity and an ability to compartmentalize my emotions.
This is your daughter, man.
I don't.
Oh. Get your thumb out of his wound. Oh, fuck. Yeah, he's channeling that anger, man. Oh! I don't think I've ever seen a motherfucker shoot with her middle finger before. That was wild. The last intro. She's fucking dead. Teen Wolf. Oh my god. Crystal. Hey bro, she ain't gonna be in the intro next season. Oh, I hate it.
You fight for a leader's cause.
What cause?
Scott's always been about one thing. Saving his friends. He
It's
will
the
do
power of
anything
friendship,
and everything to
baby.
save the people he cares
Well, he couldn't
about.
save Allison,
When
but
there's no chance of winning, he keeps fighting. When all hope is lost, he finds another way. And when he's beaten down, he stands up again. You want to earn a place in his pack? You want redemption? Find another way to stand and fight.
that was a great ass speech Derek just gave.
Styles and Kira said
Kudos.
It was the only time they kept it trapped. The problem is, this isn't even a person you're fighting.
This motherfucker got stabbed through a table.
Well, I guess I'll just find her myself.
Yeah, we could have waited until after the page to do the killing, Oni. Dumbass. Oh, I don't know what the song is about to play. You think when Clearwater Revival, Credence, whatever the fuck, do you think when they made this song, they thought that one day in the future it would sound like this? Makes me happy. I think it's Credence Clearwater Revival. That's a bad mamma jamma, brother.
The arrowhead.
Downstairs.
I need to see it.
Why?
Because I have a feeling it isn't there.
Ow, this motherfucker's smoking.
Hurts like hell.
Where the fuck did you get that blue shit?
We gotta get you out of here.
Gun jamming. Come on, Parrish.
You're gonna need a bigger gun.
Hell yeah, shoddy too hottie. That's so cheesy and I love it. You're gonna need a bigger gun. Well, that guy didn't have nothing. He got fucking slice and dice. Ah, fuck. That's a wrap, bro. I think Paris is done for.
She's gonna meet us.
I see bad moon rising.
Why would she make 4 of them?
She didn't. She made 5. She made the first one and then she figured it out.
What am I missing?
She used the first silver arrowhead to kill one of the Oni. We saw her do it.
Yeah.
The same way that you almost did.
When she went off to meet the sky.
We can stop them.
No. We can kill them.
Hell yeah, baby! With a silver arrow. Allison ain't dead yet. She left a parting gift. And let's see if it comes into play. Maybe these arrows are quite divine. Divine move from Allie Al. Oh, shit. Y'all just walked into the Sanctum Sanctorum, huh? Snow time, baby. That's a beautiful shot, actually. I love snow. I love snow so much. And look at that. Like,
Well, this is definitely not part of the plan.
Styles with Lydia.
It's me again. I'm getting nothing.
Sky
from
with
dispatch.
Kira.
Someone's on the line. Call me back, Zelensky.
Come on, Mama McCall. Get your bleeding ass up. Derek walking up in wolf form.
Did you bring us a present?
Yes. Yes, I did.
I
Yeah.
brought 2.
Yeah, 3 blue eyes white boys.
I've heard of an alpha pack, Derek, but not a pack of former alphas. It's a little sad, isn't it?
I might not
It's the
be
bitch pack.
alpha anymore.
Just kidding. I love all of them. Mainly
I
Derek.
still fight like one.
Hell yeah, pussy. Do the monster mash. It was the mash. It was a graveyard smash.
Like I promised, Styles, we're going to kill all of them. One by one.
Oh, she blocked that shit though, boy. Try again, baby. Also, can we talk about how good of a shot that was right there? I think I already have an idea for the thumbnail for this. But this is nice. Kind of how they're making an X, and for a moment, right there, Scott's head in between the X, between those. That's nice. That's a good shot. Come on, Deaton, bro. There you go. Dodge that shit, Deaton, bro. Yeah, make a fight yourself. Yeah. Deaton. Oh, come on, baby. Deaton, you better fucking witch-a-woo, duck-a-woo. Oh, shit, they bounced. Oh, the cut. All they need is the cut. That's it. He just needs the cut.
You know the ritual of seppuku style.
I don't.
Scott is your Kaisakut. I'm going to make your best friend kill you, Styles.
Best friend,
You're
kill
going
your
to learn
Styles.
Because just like you, They're all going to die. Everyone touched by an Oni's blade. Unless Scott kills you first.
Why are you doing this?
You don't got no rhyme or reason, bro. It's for funsies. He just wants to win a game. Hey, Scott, it's time to alpha up. Never mind, you already did it. Hell yeah.
You told me to leave.
I told the drunk to get out of the house. I didn't tell his father to get out of his life.
Ow, bars, bro. That's exactly, that's what I was trying to fucking articulate in the last one when she was telling him to leave and shit, man. She told you to get up out the house. She didn't say leave his life. Styles, 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 Styles. What you see in the reflection, bro? What you see in the reflection? School book, desk.
No moves left.
Yeah. Nah, it's a good tie-in for the whole season.
I do. A divine move.
A divine move. Oh, shit. Yeah, he saw the school book. He saw the desk. Oh, there's an arrow. Biznitch. What up, is Chris? Baby. Captain Argent. Oh, look at my front flip. Hey, it's me, Isaac. Remember me? What's up, slut? Yeah, dead. Done died.
What was that?
That's a silver arrow. Yeah. Yeah.
It looks real and it feels real, but Scott, you gotta trust me, it's an illusion.
Said, you try to fuck on me, brother? Hell nah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's let it happen. Nah, it's all good. Yeah. Looks real, feels real. Walk through, get the lashes. It's okay. That's fucking lit. That is lit. Y'all were in there doing the hokey pokey till you turn yourself around, not knowing what the fuck was going on.
We're okay.
Motherfucker backhanded a woman.
This was my game.
Oh, dick, duck, slide. Yup. Oh, guess who got stabbed? It was you. Oh, no. I don't know which one that is. It's Aid, never mind.
It's your gender scroll.
Yeah, dumbass. Scott. Scott. Fight him. Oh, yeah, guess who just got bit, dumbass? Oh, and the sword from Kira. That's like when wrestlers do all their finishing moves on the same fucking person. Hell yeah, Isaac. Guess what? I done caught a fly. That motherfucker turned to stone, hit the ground, and turned to ash. And down goes the no-get-sune. Styles. 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 No. Styles, wake up.
Oh God, I fainted, didn't I? We're alive. We all alive.
Well, except for Allison, but yeah.
Okay.
It's like watching yourself die.
Well, I'd never believed I was one of the good guys anyways. So
She'll believe me.
She immediately turned to find comfort in his styles, which I like. Oh man, that just hurts for everybody.
You ever run track? I mean, you have excellent muscle definition.
Not for long.
I sometimes ran from cougars trying to eat me.
Got the same problem. So listen, when you start off slow, you know, a few classes here and there.
Try to let it happen.
Oh, wow.
I'm so sorry.
I just don't think I can do it.
Date me.
Date a werewolf.
That is like the most Danny shit ever for him to know all this shit going around. That makes me happy. If it was any other character feeling that way, I'd be pissed. But since it's Danny, I like it. Ugh.
They broke into my loft.
What? Okay, there's those peeps.
Now, my friend, you're gonna tell us about La Loba.
Okay, we're back to this shit from
Where's
the
the
beginning.
she-wolf?
You should just go ahead and kill me. Because you're never gonna find Cora.
Cora? Who the hell is Cora?
Smoke grenade. Who just showed up? Was it Chris? Peter?
Where are they?
Beast growls. Yeah, it's definitely Peter, bro. Oh, I was hoping to see, like, you know, the big goddamn season 1 gargoyle. Oh, I saw a leather jacket and some long hair. They're just firing in the fog. You can hit one of your own people, dumbasses.
Drinking rainwater out of the puddle of a werewolf's print.
There's another one.
Can you get turn my scratch?
Right, I remember that.
If the clouds go deep enough.
Right.
So tell me, how do you know? How do you know if you're still dreaming?
Fingers and dreams, you have extra fingers.
He's gonna have an extra finger. Look at that shit. So this motherfucker's trapped in a dream getting killed by goddamn Kate Argent.
You're real.
That's right, Derek. And if seeing me is a surprise, watch this.
What the fuck is Green Eyes? Goddamn Chitara just showed up. I'll keep it real. I mean, I'll have to wait, obviously, to watch season 4, but I don't like Kate being back. It's cool that, you know, the neck being slit, blah, blah, blah. I don't like the character. But that may be another reason for her to be a good bad guy would be that. So, episode 24, season 3 finale in the... it says season 4 finale. I think that's a typo. In the season... Well, I mean, then again, it was split into 2 seasons. In the season 3 finale, struck by disaster and nearly defeated, Scott and Derek call on their friends and allies to make one last stand against an Ogitsune, and someone thought dead makes a surprising return. Well, what now? So that's why Alice was also having them dreams, I guess, of shit like that. Styles was having his vision. Do you think Scott's going to turn into a big-ass fucking gargoyle? So, season 3 is done. What a season. What a finale. By far the best season of the show. 3B was absolutely superb, going through the different motions of young Stilinski. Everything from episode 17 to 24. Banger, 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 banger. 8 episodes straight banging. Danny knows it all. We lose a twin. We lose Aiden. Ethan's like, I gotta go. I can't be here. We lose Allison in this season. So it comes down to they have to make a divine move, and the divine move is simple. Styles realized that this was an illusion. This wasn't real. And because of that, they're able to break through. Aiden, unfortunately, dies before he really gets to have that moment with Lydia. Lydia was like, you're always, I don't really like the bad guys, but you're just, the bad boys, but you're just a bad guy. So Aiden dies with really not having the clear moment of redemption, but he dies redeemed, essentially. So I guess Ethan's not going to stay to be in the pack because his brother's gone. It'd be cool if he did, though. Kira's looking to spend, how much time do I give them? I'm just a new girl. Malia steps up. I now don't know what direction Styles goes, if Styles and Malia, because they had their little moment, or if Styles and Lydia end up having an actual real moment, or if Styles kind of branches away and, Lydia, finds her own person. Scott obviously doesn't have to worry about Allison anymore, but Kira. And then we don't know where Isaac's going to go from this point forward. Isaac seems to be with Scott, or with Chris Argent. And I think Isaac and Chris being together would be a nice touch, just for their 2 character arcs. And Derek is run back into Kate. But at the end of the day, then Ogitsune was finished. You think you can kill me? They did. That's a great story, and hats off to Dylan O'Brien for playing both sides of that phenomenally. Playing the scared little boy and playing the menacing villain. Not enough credit will probably go to that character and that actor for what was pulled off. Highly emotional. Every little scene felt super emotional. A lot of emotion behind it. And one thing the show does really well is finales, and they're going to bleed right into season 4. So, I'm going to go ahead and wrap out on a season 3 finale. I'll see you tomorrow for the wrap up. Episode 24 was called Divine Move. Season 4, episode 1 is entitled The Dark Moon. How many episodes are in season? Oh, season 4 is also 12 episodes. Season 5 is 20. And season 6 is 20. 50 to 52 episodes left. So we're at episode 48. So season 4, episode 3 will be episode 50. Okay. All right. Well, on that note, I'm going to go ahead and head out. Links and everything will be in the description box down below. You can watch all of season 3 over on Patreon. Playlist up on screen. As always, stay cute, stay hydrated, and I will catch you on the next one.